Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation video. We would like to express our respect to Mr. Iqbal Afif as our project manager, Mr. Santo Wijay as our client, and all the lecturers of this course. My name is Arya Barnaputra, and joining me today are Farel, Theo, Yusuf, and Farid. We are group PPL TRPL 212, and we are here to present the progress of our project-based learning. Now let's take a look at our team's roles and contribution. Normalizing data in application by Farrell and Theo, designing ERT by Theo, designing use case by Theo, designing use case scenario by all members, designing sequence diagram by all members, designing class diagram by Farrell and Theo, designing activity diagram by Farrell, Yusuf, and Theo, creating Figma UI design by Arya, designing user interface by all members, and preparation of the report by Yusuf.
Then, let me give you a general overview of what EcoGreen Recruitment. EcoGreen Recruitment is a web-based information system specific designed for a company internal recruitment net. The system aims to transform manual process into an integrated, transparent, and measurable application tracking system. It has four key features. First, role-based authentication with distinct access for candidate, HR, and HR admin. Second, atomic profile management for detailed and structured candidate data. Third, job vacancy management with specific criteria and requirement tracking. And four, real-time status tracking for instant monitoring of application progress.
Now let's talk about the functional requirement our application, starting with authentication. Candidates can register and log in with their using their email and password. All users can log out based on their role, and HR admin can add, edit, and deactivate HR account. For vacancy management, HR and HR admin can view dashboard summary, create new vacancy with details like qualification, position, location, and deadline, and manually close the vacancy when needed. On applicants management, HR can view all applicants per vacancy, update their status from applied to shortlist to interview, then hired or rejected, add some notes, internal notes for each applicant, and generate or download candidate CVs from their profile data. For candidates, they can complete and update their profile, browse active vacancies, apply through profile synchronization, no separate CV upload needed, and track the full application history. And some features are still in development, such as email verification, password reset, and auto close of vacancies, status-based filtering, and application withdrawal.
We also define non-functional requirements to ensure the system performs well. In terms of performance, pages load in under 2 seconds and status notification email are sent within 5 minutes. For security, passwords are protected by crypt hashing. Access is restricted by role, and tokens for email verification and password resets are single-use and time-limited. The systems also include session management with automatic logouts, target 99% uptime during business hours, and is fully responsive on both desktop and mobiles. Other standards include periodic data backup, multi-browser support for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, automatic PDF CV generation, and permanent application history storage.
Now, let's briefly walk through the system design artifacts we create. Our use case diagram illustrates all the interaction between the three main actors, our candidate, HR, and HR admin. It covers everything from registration and profile management to vacancy creation and application tracking. The entity relationship diagram maps out the database structure and the relationship between key entities such as users, vacancies, applications, profiles, education, work experience, and skills, and others. We also design a table structure that supports all the features mentioned earlier, ensuring data is well normalized and efficiently organized to support queries like filtering, status tracking, and CV generation. These design artifacts help us stay aligned throughout development and make sure every feature had a solid structural foundation.
We also document our development process through coordination meeting both with our project manager and among all team members to keep the project on track and maintain quality at every stage. It concludes our presentation. We sincerely apologize if there's any shortcomings, and we thank you so much for your time and attention. Thank you.